Hey people, so keeping by this whole my that I've been making videos or audio messages for friends who've really made a difference in my life. So today I want to just thank this friend. Her name's Madhulika, and if I were to actually think of it, she was like the first ever friend I ever made in my life. You know, I remember being in the fifth standard, and we had to our class. I was in Saint Anne, Sikandrabad, and we were asked. You have to mention your best friend's name, and when you're in the fifth standard and you're 10 years old, you take such an exercise very seriously. So I remember Madhulika and me, Mary Madhulika, we used to be benchmates. We used to sit together in the thing. So that's what it was. It's just instinctive. Yeah, I mean, at that point I think I don't know what I mentioned and all, but if I were to look back at my time in school, Madhulika is one friend who, yeah, no matter what the situation I've been through in life, she's been consistent. Yeah, she's been as honestly, now we tend to lose touch with people, right? But with Madhulika, it is certain people you can just pick up where you left off, and they're just they're just there. Yeah, I mean, that very soothing sort of presence. I mean, when I think of Madhulika, that's the first thing that comes to my mind. I mean, so thank you, Madhu. I just thought I should make this video to just tell you a big thank you, because there are very few people you meet who are like ever smiling. I mean, when you think of them, you have to think of them with a smile. It makes you smile, and I can't imagine a serious Madhulika. She's like always smiling. So that I think is such a rare quality. So truly, yeah, I mean, Madhu, we may have lost touch, but I just want to say thank you for being my friend right from when we were 10-year-olds back in school. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.